Hello everyone, it's me. I put some oil in my pan and I'm gonna put some sausage in my pan, but that's because I want sausage, but I put some um I don't burn. Oh, April, I think it's better when it's turned up. I think you're right. I think we need to work. See how nice that is? Mmm. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Enjoy your turkey. Uh-oh, it's going down again. I just don't want them burnt, that's all. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Yes. Ooh, that's yes, my favorite Dollar Tree garlic toast. Trying to. Yes, I wanted something to eat, and then I said, "What is it that I really just want?" And I realized it was sausage. Let me see. Woo! Oh. Just cut it in half. That's more manageable. Have me some sausage. I'm watching some Christmas movies. I'm gonna eat some on the side. Get a little snackish. Put that into some more seasoning. Yes. gonna, I love this ketchup with pickles. Yes. I love this hot sauce. Woo. I'm gonna go have my meal, and you all have your Thanksgiving and have a good one. Boys, yeah. Mm. 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 You good. Mm. 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 I tell you, when you are not afraid to just combine some stuff together, never know what you get. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Have a good day.